Hi YouTube, this is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and welcome to my channel. This is the first of my fall series video. I will be doing other videos such as my coffee bar and my tier tray video in this fall series. So stay tuned for those. In this video, because it's the first one, I'm going to be starting from the front. That means my front door and my front yard. Y'all, I am so excited about all the things that I was able to do. In this video, you guys will see a DIY, you will see a shop with me, and a haul all in one. So you'll see where I found the stuff, what stuff I actually got, and how I used it to decorate all in one video. For those of you who have been watching me for a while, you're going to see a few home updates. I will be doing a build a grade to upgrade with all those new updates in that video, and I will be giving you all the information to those in that video. In this video, I will start with my front door and I will show you everything in my front yard as well. All things fall. I'm super excited about it. This is the first year in our house and I got to do a lot of my Thanksgiving, fall, harvest, whatever you want to call it, decorating. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and without further ado, here is my video. Hi guys, the shopping spree started with Aldi. I love real pumpkins in front of the home. Even though I decorate with faux pumpkins, I really love having real pumpkins around the home. Then I went to Home Depot to score a few flowers to put in front of the home, which I love the mums this year. They have all the beautiful colors, and I was able to pick up a few. I wanted a bench to sit in front of my front door. It was so small, I had one custom made by a Facebook Market vendor. Then I had a hand-painted sign that I found on Facebook Marketplace as well. Very cute. I took a trip to Micheals to pick up a couple of things for my wreath that I'm going to DIY later on in this video. I went to Hobby Lobby. They have so many cute fall things. It's the place to go if you're looking to decorate for fall. And I was able to find this bucket that said fresh pumpkins, and I love it. Okay guys, I'm about to clean my pumpkins. This is something that I've never done before. I've always wiped them off in the past, but I was watching someone's video here on YouTube and they actually wash the pumpkins, like put them in water and dish soap and a little bleach in it, and it did make the pumpkins look a little bit better. So you'll see me just wiping off various pumpkins that I have, little and small. But yeah, it did make a little difference. So I'll be doing that from now on. These are the items you would need to make my wreath. These are some picks that I found at Micheals. They were regular $2.99 and they were 50% off that particular weekend. And these have like dried fruit and different berries on them. This bush was actually $12.99 and it was 50% off. These beets were $14.99 and they were 50% off as well. I love using these on wreaths now. One of my faves. These bushes were $2.99 and they were 50% off. I'm sorry, $4.99 and they were 50% off. I had my wire cutters, a glue gun, some burlap ribbon, and an olive branch wreath. That's all you need to make this particular wreath. I unwound the beads and I just kind of stick them in on top. I don't wind them around the wreath. I just kind of lay them on top, and then I stick them into random little places all like connected to the branch. And then later, after I put everything together, I'll just glue down stuff that's coming up. Now you see me taking the foliage and just leaving it all together and sticking it on either side. And I have 4 of those. I don't do anything special with those. This is the dried picks that I have. I'm putting them on either side. I'm trying to create some balance, so what one side has, the other side has. And those picks are super cute because they have those dried fruits on there, and I just think it reminds me so much of fall, so I'm loving this. As you see, as I put stuff on there, I kind of sit it up to kind of get a better look at what I'm doing. Now I take that bush that I paid It was regularly $12.99. I'm cutting it apart, so I have individual picks from it. Well worth the money. And these little picks have different foliages on them. As I cut them apart, you'll see some beads, you'll see some leaves, and I kind of want that variety in this particular wreath. As you can see, my wreath is more golden and oranges, which I love that about it. It really gives it a real good fall look. You can't see at the top, however, but I am adding in some extra picks that I have at the top. And it's so important to pick the wreath up every so often to look at it, to see what you're doing. Now I'm doing a double loop bow. I just tied into do 2 double loops, and I just get a piece of wire, string, whatever you want to use, and pull it together. Nothing special. You do not get to see me put it together because I had to get off camera right quick to go get a pipe cleaner, but it's put together. You'll see it in the reveal. Welcome to my fall front porch tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave any questions you have about any item in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching.